I'm speaking on the physics of sound, but I don't understand music. So I feel like there was a huge fraction of the musical sphere that I had no understanding of. So I picked up the instrument to learn a few chords and I guess get a fundamental understanding of it. But it sucks you in. You know, it's just really, I realized that music is a man's highest attainment, and it forced me to think abstract, in a very abstract way.
And so I'd like to welcome him to the show. This is Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First. Thank you so much for being on.
Thank you for having me.
So I've heard you speak about...
To discuss light and the electromagnetic spectrum. I would much rather discuss quantum electrodynamic, the relationship between photons and electrons. When you study quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between electrons and photons, what you see is something extraordinary. You see a lot of sociology. You see a lot of sociology. Energy, subatomic particles cancel each other out, and it's based on energy level.